This is Reaper from Gladiator Airsoft, presenting a fast-paced match on the speedball type field of Lagoon at West Coast Adventure Park. Zodiac's M4 has an extended inner barrel, and he's going to try to use this to his advantage by finding an overwatch position that could use a lot of angles on the field.
Shit, no feed.
Yeah.
No.
Iceman was also using his G36 for suppressive fire.
Where's down there?
Going around.
You can move up this way if you want to.
Don't have a shot on.
Hit! Move up, move up. We got one straight over here,
Where?
And the barrel's to the left. You provide suppressing fire to our left.
Hold on. Feed issue.
After Iceman's G36 suffered from a jam, we had no suppressive firepower for our team.
Get down, get down, get down.
I have a jam. I think.
Hey, right over here, right over here. Where is he? Quick, move up, keep going. Got him.
Zodiac was constantly switching up the angles in which he was shooting from to make sure the enemy wouldn't get a beat on him each time. Because his movements were unpredictable, it was harder for the enemy to get a shot on Zodiac.
No, sorry. Right there, right there. Hey, left.
By communicating with your teammates well, you have a higher chance of completing your objective.
Go, no, 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 go, go, go.
Hit. Oh, dude, I got lit up in the thigh.
We gotta push.
The objective of this game was to either push as far into the enemy territory as possible, or tag the other team's base to win.
Hold up. Back up. Hold up.
Dead man walking.
While Zodiac was keeping the enemies occupied, both Afro and I were able to push far into the enemy territory to secure it for the rest of the game.
Come on, guys, push.